All 9. Gibert. 20 seconds to shoot. Chen. Pass to Josh. To Gibert. Fakes. 2 points. Jake. 11-9. 11-9. Cocina de Isla. Up by 2 points. Patrick. Hoy, sayang.
Tira!
Gibert. 2 points.
No carry over yun.
All 11. All 11.
No carry over tayo ha.
Number 8, Jake. First personal foul. Third team foul. Wild Dogs, you have 2 timeouts. Cocina de Isla, 1 timeout. Foul. Good fake. Who's foul, ref? Josh. First personal foul. First team foul. 6 minutes.
Nice.
Score 12-11. Good block. Yep.
Isang timeout pa kayo ha?
Wild Dogs, 2 timeouts left. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock. 5.
Ate bola.
4 minutes. Score 12-11. Cocina up by 1 point. If you're looking, foul number 28. First personal foul, second team foul. Three minutes and 20 seconds. Yeah, meron. Later. Sorry. Let's go. Good. Pumasok to si Arlu. Si Arlu pumasok. Three minutes. Two minutes and 50 seconds. $15 seconds to shoot. Rex. Battle for the rebound. Josh. Oh, nakuha ni Arlu. Back to Rex. Oh, pinas sa kalaban. Foul. Rex. First personal foul. Fourth team foul.
Para running clock tayo, para magmamatay yung oras, kailangan mag-time out kayo. Okay?
May isa pa kami time out.
Oo.
Basket. Time out. Sa referee. Oh, pass.
Okay. Call it dance. Now I gotta...
One minute and 10 seconds. Good block.
Kaya para matay yung oras, time out. The clock is the clock will run.
Sorry. 42 seconds. 42 seconds. Let's go. 25 seconds.
Box out!
9, 5. Halftime score. All 12.
I'll do it. I'll just show you. Pag ano, gamitin yung ano nyo, yung timeout nyo. Diba, nag-ano sila, tinahuli yung timeout para stop yung clock.
Okay.
Second half, right, last 2 minutes, patay oras na yun. Pag na-shoot, dire-diretso. Pero pag foul, free throw, stop the clock.
Pre, 20-20 ba, pre?
Ete-bete.
Apat. 4 quarter.
Hindi, dalawa lang.
May dalawang 20 minutes ito ba?
Oo, dalawang 10 minutes.
Pre.
Let's go. Score. All 12. All 12.
I had 7, but I counted down to 4. And I just combined it. So some of the players had emergency. They went to the business. Supposed to have two digits. Dallas Cowboys. Which Dallas Cowboys? Oh yeah, it's good. It's just like close to renovation. Oh, they're cleaning the floors. But next week they're open.
All right, let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready for the second half. Halftime score. Deadlock 12.
Halftime score lang. Okay.
Chibert. Wala pa, hindi pa nag-iinit. Joss.
Yung territory nilang corner. Nag-trash yun. Ay, ito. Sa atin na wala. Ayun o.
Hop, wala. Toto. Nagmamadali. Laban tulog si Toto. Fires, pass. Duffy highlights, no? Josh fakes. Pass to Gilbert. Ayan na. Spa.
Reset nyo kasi tama sa rin.
Toto for two. The human highlight.
Uli! Kabilang corner! Uli! Uli!
2 points. Bilis ha, parang may lakad.
Angat!
Shot!
3 points, bumawi. Number 14. First personal foul, first team foul.
High school.
Sok.
Maglakad 2 minutes. Angat.
20-second shot clock. Gibert. Saba? Sub rep? Sub.
Nice.
Gibert. Wala pa rin. Low scoring ball game. Toto. That's speed fire. Toto. Setting the play. 20-second shot clock. Rexel. 15. 2 points.
Corner mo kay Rexel. Angat.
Babawi. 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Toto again. To Josh. Wala pa rin. Mac. Who's foul rep? Rexel. Sub. Score 19-15. Kusina up by 4 points. Ayan si Pat. Patrick, umatake. Good shot. Nice pass. Gibert, running. Nagmamadali. 2 points. 19-17. O si Pat daw, sab. Mac.
Tawid.
15 seconds to shoot. Mark, block. Chen. Wala. Two points. Push number. Basket. Chen foul. Basket. Loose ball foul. That's a loose ball foul. Basket count. Loose ball foul. 12 minutes and 50 seconds. All 19. Gilbert. You know, bad rebound. Good ball. Chen, matake. Kuha, back.
Bato! Takbo, takbo!
Mark. Huli. Gilbert. Finally got 4-2. 21-19. Ah, nag-iinit na. Patrick. 20 seconds to shoot. Ten. Kenny, time out na sila. Time out! Cusina de Isla. Score, 21-19. 21-19. 2-point lead. Bye. Next game, get ready.
One stop, one stop.
Chen fires for 3. No good. Naku. Chen again. Ten seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 1, Alan. First personal foul. Second team foul. Gilbert, 1 point, 22-19.
Mark! On!
Twenty-three, 19. 10 minutes and 20 seconds. Agaw! Up! Good pass. 2 points. 25-19, Rexel. To Jake. Jake. Uy, naagaw. Up. Sub. Judge sino? Rexel out. Sub. 9 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, let's go. 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Score 25-19.
Nice! Okay!
2 points.
Sabak ko pa, Jeka.
Dabi, fakes, fires. Matake.
Dalawa lang tayo mata. Tignan mo tayo ng 10 minutes eh.
20 seconds to shoot.
Last 10 minutes, last ano na to.
Josh, 2 points. Cool as a cucumber. Alan. Myers. No good.
Pag time out kayo, wala kang time out.
Sab lang kayo.
Time out ba kanina?
Oo.
Nag-time out kanina. Sab.
Foul.
Sab ako din.
Sub rep ah. Kenny, sub.
Mamaya na. Isang free throw pa. Pag first free throw lang. Second shot.
Ayun na ba?
No good. Sub. Sub.
Al, pre, si. Al, si. Ba't sinishare ko? Di ko makita sa ano ko. Sa face na ako. Di ba sinare ko? Ba't di lumalabas ako?
Pasok.
Ito lang. Sinare ko na. Ayaw ba?
Kanan. Tira.
Jad. Bang. No good.
Balik.
Sinare ko eh. Pinost ka. Try mo pare. Sige. 20 second shot clock. Foul number 21. First personal foul, 14 foul.
Break, kabila,
20 second shot clock. Score 30-19. Wild Dogs up by 11 points. Alan. Toto.
Max, sa ilaw, pag-post na kayo sa taas.
Nakita ko 3 beses.
15 seconds to shoot. 10. Ang ganda ng agaw. Toto, nagmamadali. Nice pass to number 19. No good. Gibbert. Fires for 3. Oh.